Hi everyone, my name is Sadia. Today we are going to look at informal measuring in grade 1. As we all know, informal measuring means that we measure with non-formal measuring tools. We don't use a ruler or a measuring tape. We are going to make something fun and exciting to help children measure in the classroom. Today we are going to make a measuring worm, and this is what it looks like. It's made out of bottle tops. To be able to make this worm, you are going to need some bottle tops, some glue, some pipe cleaners, some googly eyes, bottle tops of a different size, perhaps 2 that are slightly bigger, some nice thick string or wool, a marker, and a pair of scissors. To begin, you are going to need to start with your 2 bigger bottle tops, one for the head and one for the tail. We are going to start making the head first. For that, you are going to need some glue, and you are going to need 2 googly eyes. You are going to put 2 drops of glue and stick your googly eyes down, and then you are going to cut your pipe cleaners into 2, and you are going to stick them down here. When your glue dries, that is what it's going to look like. For the tail, you are going to do the same thing. You are going to need your other piece of bottle top, and you're going to take one long pipe cleaner and you are going to fold it in half to make a nice pointy tail, put a drop of glue, stick it down, and this is what it will look like when the glue is dried. Now that we have our tail and our head, we are going to start working on the body. For the body, you are going to need a nice piece of string. Like I said, use something that's nice and thick so your worm is rather sturdy. Okay, you're going to put your string out, and we are going to start with the head. You are going to take your head and you are going to place it at the front of your string, just like this. Next, you are going to use some of your bottle tops. Try and get bottle tops that are all the same size. You are then going to put glue all along your little worm, and you are going to place your bottle tops down, right next to each other without leaving any spaces. And you will do this all the way to the end, and then you are going to stick your tail down. Once all of that has dried, your measuring worm will look like this. As you can see, I have put some numbers on mine. Your measuring worm can be as long or as short as you need it to be. I have put the numbers on so that it helps children to count as they measure. I would like to show you how to do some measuring now. So look around your room and find 3 things that you would like to measure. I have a highlighter, a little coaster, and a ruler. I'm going to put little post-it notes underneath each one so that you can see just how long or short each item is. When measuring with children, remember it's always important to compare sizes and develop the vocabulary around measurement. So starting with the first one, we are going to measure the highlighter. We're going to start with the head first, and we're going to put the worm next to the highlighter, and we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our highlighter is 5 bottle tops long. So on my little piece of paper, I am going to write 5. Next, we are going to measure the coaster. And the coaster is 1, 2, 3, 4 bottle tops long. We're going to write down the number 4. And the ruler is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bottle tops long. And from there, you can discuss how long and how short these items were. I hope you have lots of fun measuring in your classrooms. Bye.